Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
Marites Barreras,
What is your age?
42 years old,
What year were you born?
1972.
Do you have a valid work permit and identity card?
No,
Do you have a valid passport?
yes,
Do you smoke?
no,
Do you drink?
no.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn money for my family.
What is your hometown?
Antipolo City,
What is your level of education?
high school graduate.
Are you single or married?
I'm married.
Do you have a child?
Yes,
How old is he?
10 years old.
Who takes care of him?
My mother.
How many siblings do you have?
No.
Are your parents alive?
Yes,
Do you support any or all of the members of your family?
no.
If your parents get sick, who can take care of them?
My niece.
Do you have any debts either here or in your hometown?
No,
Do you owe an employment agency any money?
no.
How many years of experience locally and abroad do you have?
3 years in abroad.
What do you enjoy most about your job?
Cleaning and cooking.
What do you enjoy the least?
And
Do you have allergies in food, drugs, or detergents?
no,
Are you afraid of pets?
no.
How do you handle conflict with your previous employer?
Keep quiet.
In your last place of employment, were your employers both working?
No, only sir.
Do you accept no day offs but to be paid by your employer?
Yes,
Was your work primarily childcare or housework?
both.
How many hours each day do you work?
10 hours.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
No,
Are you willing to attend such a course?
yes.
If my child burnt his hand on the iron, what would you do?
To give him first aid.
If my son is being very naughty while taking care of him, what would you do? How would you discipline him?
I will teach him good manners.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes,
Can you cook?
yes.
What cuisines are you familiar with?
Filipino food.
Would you be willing to cook vegetarian or Chinese food?
Yes,
Can you speak Cantonese?
no,
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
yes.
What do you usually do in your spare time?
Resting.
Do you have any special skills like dancing, singing, or painting?
Singing.
What is your message to your employer?
Hi, madam. Hi, sir. I'm Marites Barreras. I'm honest, hardworking. I will take your children. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Sing one nursery rhyme. Sing one nursery rhyme.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.